sounds of silent glaciers. Hello, Glacier, our frozen friend. We've come to hear you once again. We imagine you quietly sleeping, even though your ice is creeping, and the dreams created by the rain still remain. Ice covered by the layers of frozen snow. Glacier, tell us your story. The glacier answered, many years ago, during what was called the Ice Ages, some believe we covered much of the world. Now we form in areas where more snow falls each winter than melts each summer. We are rivers of ice. We are the largest moving objects on Earth. We hold 3/4 of the world's fresh water supply. The water is frozen in our frigid layers. We are so forceful, we carve out lakes, mountains, and strange rock formations. Our magnificent force reduces solid rock to fine dust. When melting, we can create the largest floods in the world. When melting, we create what is called calving. Ice calving is the sudden breaking away of huge pieces of ice from the glacier. The calving sound makes a loud cracking or booming sound. When the giant pieces of ice fall into the water, often large waves or wakes are made. Scientists now watch us for signs of global warming. Our receding layers are proof that the Earth is warming. Some believe if we melt too fast, it will cause the seas to rise and create chaos on Earth. Then the glacier went silent. And we the people cruised and played on the giant ship we made. Oh, the glaciers calved with warning in shapes that were transforming. And the glacier spoke once more. The tears of the Ice Age are shed on our glacial walls and frozen falls. And the glacier sang a song of silence.